Let's practice some numbers. I'm going to show you a card and I want you to tell me what comes before it. So remember, you're going to take a step back and tell me what comes before it. Here we go. What comes before this? So think, this is 59. What comes before it? 58. Good. What comes before this number? Say what it is. This number is 64. What comes before? Before. Before. Ooh, before. 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 What comes before? Oh, this is hard. If you're at a new family, what comes before it? Right, so this is 30, 29 comes before. Now let's switch gears and let's go. Oh, these are all in order. We don't want them all in order, do we? I'm going to change this. I'm going to pull cards so you don't know that they're coming in order. We're going to mix them up and make it harder. This time I want you to think with your brain. Think. What comes after? So look at the number. What comes after? All right, ready? Here we go. Hi, Teddy. What comes after? All right. What comes after? What comes after? What comes after? What comes after? Good job. Now I'm going to show you a number. Can you tell me if it's odd or even? Do you remember what makes a number odd or even? Ooh, this might be too hard. This might be a second grade question. Here's your clue. If you count by 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, those are even numbers. So what needs to be in the ones place? So look at it. Is this odd or even? It's even because there's a 0, which means 10. It's a new family. You see, you like our llama head sitting there watching us? Kind of creepy, isn't it? All right, look at this number. Is that odd or even? So that 5, can I break it up evenly? No, I can't. It's odd. Look at, I'm going to use my butterflies. So 5, there's 5 butterflies. If I say 1 for Mary, 1 for Mrs. Tackerberry, 1 for Mary, 1 for Mrs. Tackerberry, who gets this one? Can I divide that evenly? Nope. No. So if it has a 5, that's not even. That's called odd. What about this one? Is that odd or even? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's even. Look about this one. Is this odd or even? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. It's odd. What about, this one? It's odd. Because if I only have one butterfly, can I divide that with somebody? Can I share it with somebody? Well, I could, but do I want to cut a butterfly in half? Ugh, no, I don't. All right, that's just a little bit of brain busting for today. Yesterday we talked about adding to 10, and I have my butterflies in honor of the butterfly that came out of its chrysalis at Emily's house. Did you see the picture of the painted lady butterfly? Have you seen any butterflies outside yet? Not the last few days. It's been really cold. But as it warms up, remember, insects are warm-blooded. They're cold-blooded. So when it's cold, we don't see them. And when it gets warm out, they come out. Sorry, I said that wrong. So we'll have to see. Emily, can you tell us when you release your butterflies outside? I don't know how long they have to stay with you before they get to fly away. You'll have to let us know when you release them. Does anybody else have any pets or friends that they have living at their house? Did you make a worm farm or an ant farm? Anybody have a snake? What about little tadpoles or frogs? I'm thinking maybe Tommy or Damien might do something like that. My fisherman guys. What about worms? Jesse, are you digging up worms in your backyard? Girls, do you like to dig up worms? Now, I bet you Hannah gets scared by those things by your brothers. Do they chase you with us? Or are you not scared anymore? You'll have to let me know. Are you brave when it comes to playing with little animals outside, or do they scare you? All right, let's count our butterflies and let's put together groups of these. We're going to use our butterfly counters, but I want you to put them in groups that will make 10, okay? So just like our flashcards, like I have this card, 4 plus 6. So I want you to look at it, do 4, and then 6. 4 plus 6 equals what? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or could you count by this? 2, 4, 6, 2, 4. Ah, you can count by 2s there because 10 is an even number. All right, what if I have 0 plus 10? How would I show that using my butterflies? 0 plus 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Stays the same. Ooh, what about 8? 2, 4, 6, 8. See how fast that goes? And then 2. 8 plus 2 equals 10. So take some of your little toys. Remember yesterday I had these chips. They're plastic chips. Maybe you have some dice. Maybe you have some rocks, or your cars, or your Legos, your dollies. But make groups and look at how can you, all the different ways you can put them together to make 10 and practice adding. Now, you don't have to stop with 10. You can do 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and have fun adding, looking at the different pictures so you can see it with your eyes and think it in your brain and say it with your mouth.